Don't mind that I look like crap. It's snowing. It's snowing. That's not good. Do you see this? Tiny little flakes. Oh my gosh. Yeah, you saw that. Yeah. Oh Jesus. It's too early for snow. It's not even Halloween yet. Just gonna close my blinds so I don't have to see it. No, I'm just kidding. I have to get ready because I'm going out, so I had to close my blinds. But also I don't have to look at the snow, so that helps. Usually by this time I'm listening to Christmas music and wanting to be out in a snowfall. But this year I just had too much fun with summer that I do not want winter. I want to go right into next summer. I really want to try a chocolate bar that I bought, so I'm gonna fly back here and get it. Also, there's a lot of very impatient people in this world. I was at McDonald's and this lady was freaking out because there was no one at the cash at the moment, and she was not happy about it. I also bought Oreo ice creams and I think they're melting. Oh, there's someone right next to me. I should take the keys out the ignition though. Just in case, I maybe lock my door. So, at first I need water. I don't have a water bottle. First I saw this one. It's a M&M chocolate bar. Has little M&Ms inside. And then I saw this one. Where did it go? It's the same thing, but it has little crunchies in it. I think I'm gonna try the first one though. As long as there's no vanilla in them, I'm good. Oh, that's cute. This is what it looks like. I think the crunchy would be better. I need a thumbnail. I'm gonna try the other one now. Sun's coming out. That's better. They're not good chocolate bars. Probably wouldn't buy them again, but they're not bad. Can I sit this somewhere? I don't think so. Do you guys ever just crave water? Like I ate. So I need it right now anyways. But I always just crave it, like I need it. It's weird, but I'm really, really thirsty right now. And I just thought I would say that. I'm home now, all comfy and cozy and warm. I might take a nap. I'm not sure. It sounds pretty nice though, so I might. So I didn't end up taking a nap because I figured if I take a nap, I'm not going to sleep tonight, and I don't sleep at night as it is, so I'm just not going to. But I'm so tired, so I hope that I sleep. I think yesterday I slept through the night. I think I slept from like just after 10 or maybe 11 all the way to 6, which is still not 8 hours, but whatever. Everyone's resting or taking a nap downstairs, and I'm just watching vlogs, and I have to shower. And Shailene just asked me if I could babysit on Saturday, and I said yes, so hopefully that goes through and I can babysit Emery. So I'm excited. So hopefully this week goes way fast. That way Saturday comes faster. I'm not getting a double chin. Honestly, I think that after I got my wisdom teeth out, this whole area got chubbier. Because I never used to have like that extra cheek right there. And my like skin feels like it's a little more loose now. And I'm pretty sure it's because of when I swelled up for my wisdom teeth, because I was never like that. But you gotta do what you gotta do. Well, I'll see you guys in my next video. In my next video, you'll probably see me babysitting Emery, so stay tuned. Bye.